Hello everybody, myself Dr. Nupu Patel. I am a consultant and director at Divine Breast Clinic, which is located at Shamal Cross Road, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. The Divine Breast Clinic is the one-stop diagnostic solution for all the breast related problems. In Divine Breast Clinic, we have a facility like mammography of breast, ultrasonography of breast, MRI breast, and all the breast intervention procedures like fine needle aspiration cytology, core needle breast biopsies, vacuum assisted breast biopsies, and stereotactic biopsies. And apart from these special procedures like clip placement and wire localizations. So mammogram is a simple as like chest x-ray. It is an x-ray of breast. You would like to know that when should one to do her mammogram. So basically the ideal recommendation age for the mammogram is age of 40. After the age of 40, every female should get her mammogram done as an annual screening program. The mammogram detects the cancer at an earlier stage before the patient feels by herself. When we do mammogram, we can pick up the cancer at a stage 0 or stage 1. When patient comes to us by calling that I am feeling a lump and I am suspecting cancer, and at that time the patient comes with the stage 2 or stage 3 or an advanced stage. So mammogram picks up the cancer at a very earlier stage. And in breast cancer, when we pick up cancer at stage 0 or stage 1, the treatment options are many and there are near 99% or more, near 100% survival rate. It is very necessary to get your mammogram after the age of 40 on an annual basis. Next facilities are ultrasonography of breast that everybody you knows, MRI breast, and intervention procedures like core needle biopsy. When we find lumps, we do a core needle biopsy to confirm that what is the type of tumor. It is whether it is benign tumor or it is a malignant tumor. Next is the latest and advanced technique like vacuum assisted breast biopsy. So what is vacuum assisted breast biopsy and when is the role of vacuum assisted breast biopsy in breast tumors? Benign tumors like fibroadenoma, papilloma, complex cyst, even simple cyst, if it is paining the patient, we can remove this type of benign tumor without surgery with the help of this instrument vacuum assisted breast biopsy system. What we do a local anesthesia at the skin of breast, then we put a small cut and then we pierce the instrument and target the tumor which either fibroadenoma or a papilloma or something like complex cyst or a simple cyst, and this instrument cut the tumor and get sucks. The basket is attached to the vacuum assisted breast system. The needle cut the tumor and the material is sucked in the basket. So we can remove like this type of tumor hardly within a 5 to 10 minutes without surgery. So it is a painless procedure, even stitchless procedure, no stitch is required, and also a scarless procedure. Other role of this vacuum assisted system is diagnostic for diagnostic purpose, because when we find a cancer at an earlier stage in mammogram, so we can diagnose also with the help of vacuum biopsy, because earlier cancer generally present with the microcalcifications. Microcalcifications means powdery deposits. So these are only visible on mammogram. So what we do, we target that calcification and we do this vacuum assisted breast biopsy with the help of this instrument, and we remove this chunk of deposits, and that deposits we further refer to the pathologist and for histopathological examination to detect whether this chunk of micro calcification deposits are benign deposits or cancerous deposits. So this type of diagnostic solvent is also possible with the help of vacuum assisted breast biopsy system. Apart from breast facilities, we have a facility of routine MRIs, CT scan, X-ray, basic sonography, and all the intervention procedures, echocardiography, Dopplers, etc. So thank you everybody, and do visit us and contact us for the breast related problems. Thank you.